In our comprehensive travel guide videos, we handpick the top travel destinations that offer a perfect blend of culture, history, and natural wonders. From exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu in Peru to the breathtaking landscapes of Iceland's Golden Circle, these destinations are a must-visit for every intrepid traveler. Here is a preview of what we have to share on mystical city like Machu Picchu, nestled high in the Andes Mountains. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the Inca civilization's architectural prowess and innovative farming techniques. We take you to the mesmerizing landscapes like the Golden Circle in Iceland. This popular tourist route encompasses 3 stunningly unique locations: Thingvellir National Park, the Geyser Geothermal Area, and Gullfoss Waterfall. If you're a history buff, Rome, Italy, should be at top of your bucket list. Walk through the remnants of the Roman Empire. Marvel at the awe-inspiring architecture of the Colosseum and the Pantheon. And get a glimpse of the Vatican City. For those who love the beach and biodiversity, the Galapagos Islands are a paradise. Located off the coast of Ecuador, this archipelago is known for its unparalleled wildlife, clear waters, and pristine beaches. Traveling east, we land in Japan, a country where tradition and modernity coexist. Visit the ancient temples in Kyoto. Experience the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. And relax in the natural hot springs of Hakone. Journey with us to the heart of Africa to explore Kenya's vast savannas. Witness the Great Migration in the Masai Mara, get up close and personal with the wildlife in Amboseli National Park. And soak up the sun on Diani Beach. Destinations like Australia, a continent that offers diverse experiences. From the bustling city of Sydney and the Great Barrier Reef to the untamed wilderness of the outback, there's something for every type of traveler. How about the Canadian Rockies? Known for their towering peaks, turquoise glacial lakes, and abundant wildlife, these majestic mountains offer unparalleled hiking and camping opportunities. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or an adventure seeker, these destinations promise an unforgettable travel experience. Start planning your trip today and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. At Travel with Glen, we believe travel is not just about visiting new places. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures, trying new cuisines, and making connections with locals. So, pack your bags, open your mind, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Travel with Glen.